Hi, I am Apeksha and I reside in Attapur. The main reason कि हम सोलर ऑप्ट करने वाले थे because जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल्स हमारे आ रहे थे it was exceeding and during summer times it was unimaginable. So that was the main purpose कि हम सोलर ऑप्ट करने वाले थे. जब हमने डिसाइड कर ही लिया था कि हमें सोलर लगवाना है, सो वी वर रिसर्चिंग अबाउट कि कौन सी कंपनी अच्छी है. तो ईशा हमको ऑनलाइन से मिला था एंड नॉट जस्ट ईशा, वी फाउंड अदर कंपनीज ऑल्सो, बट समहाउ आवर इंस्टिंक्ट वाज वेरी inclined towards opting for Isha. So that's the reason we opted for Isha. So ईशा में सबसे बेस्ट क्वालिटी ये है कि जो फर्स्ट फॉलोअप जो हम उनसे कर रहे थे, वी वर गेटिंग एग्जैक्ट लीड्स एंड हमको प्रॉपर ऐप इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल रही थी उनके पास से. सेकेंड पॉइंट जो उनका कोटेशन आया था, दैट वाज द मोस्ट रीजनेबल वन. एंड अगेन देयर सर्विस, देयर फॉलोअप, बेसिकली जो हिसाब से उनकी टीम से सब लोग हमसे फॉलोअप कर रहे थे, दिस ऑल्सो मेड अस मोर इंक्लाइंड कि हम ईशा ही ऑप्ट करेंगे. सो ऑल्सो कीपिंग इन माइंड कि हमको सब्सिडी के बारे में भी बहुत क्वेश्चंस आ रहे थे, बट ईशा मेड इट वेरी ईजी फॉर अस. ईशा ओनली लुक after our subsidy, we didn't have to look after it. They only did everything and they have given us. So that was very easy for us. The quality is top notch. The service is too good. Whenever we ask them, they are here. And actually, to be honest, we didn't even ask for them. They only directly come to our place and उनके पास से ही directly अपने आप follow-ups हो रहे थे. We didn't have to call them, not even once. Without even we need to call them. उनके पास से directly follow-up आ जाता है. One is for mechanical, one is for electrical, and one is for maintenance. They come directly and they set their calendars marked according to that, and they come directly and do it. We don't have to call them at once. And also the plant cleaning also is done by them only. I would definitely recommend everyone to go for solar because point number one, it is budget friendly because financially it will impact on your future. And second thing is it is environment friendly. So I think Isha is inclined towards the fact that they need to save trees. So basically, if you opt for solar, you're saving trees. So I think definitely everyone should go for solar. Okay, so basically the major difference is जो हमारा पहले बिल आता था, it was around 6,000 to 8,000 जो monthly आता था, and summers like we don't have to tell because of the ACs, obviously उससे ज़्यादा ही आता था. But now the bill what we are getting after opting for Isha Solar, we are getting around 120 or it's 120 is an average, so it's around you can say 100 to 120 to maximum it is 140. That's the difference. So we got a subsidy after 15 days as soon as our installation was done, after 15 days of it. So Isha Solar has its own app, so it is easy for us and it is very feasible that we open the app and we can keep a track on each and everything. So it made us very easy for it. Yeah, so basically we have got a 5 kilowatt solar, which is equivalent to almost all planting 180 trees. So we are very happy about it. And the another benefit is we get subsidy very soon. So that's again a benefit. And the third point is we are being environment friendly. So nothing better than that. So yeah, we are very glad and happy to go and choose with Isha Solar. Thank you. Honestly, I would like to give 5 on 5 to Isha, and yes, all the best.